Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about branding. So the question of the day is, what is branding? And I will start off by telling you what it isn't, because a lot of people have it mixed up. I'm not gonna lie, I used to have it mixed up too. So your branding is not your logo. Your logo is simply a symbol that represents your brand. Your branding is not your messaging. It's not your product. It's not your, your labels. It's not your graphics. It's not your website. Those all play a role in your branding, but they are not your branding. So that being said, what exactly is your brand? So branding is basically a customer or client's gut feeling about a product, service, or company. So it's basically your business's reputation. And, it's not what you say it is. Like, you can say all day that my brand is this, it's that, and it represents this, that, and the third. But it's not really what you think. It's what they think. It's what they feel. It's what they perceive. So that being said, we don't have any control over what people think, say, and feel about our business. However, we can influence how they think, feel, and what they say about our business. And there's actually 10 ways that we can influence that. So the 10 things that we have control over that will help influence people's perception of our brands are your logo, your websites, your graphics, which are things that I help people with, but also your decor, your signage, your packaging, your messaging, your products, your staff, and if you're a solopreneur like me, that would be yourself, and customer experience. All of these 10 things play a role in your overall branding, and that is what people use to determine how they feel, think, and how they speak about your brand. So we have control over those things. It's very important to, put time and energy into cultivating those things, to embody what it is we want our brands to represent, so that, the people out there that have the ultimate say think what we think about our brands. So that being said, where do you get started when it comes to branding? Well, with my clients, I like for them to give me 3 brand attributes. So it's basically 3 keywords to represent their brand. So an example could be you want your brand to be luxurious, classy, sophisticated, maybe family friendly, fun, cute. Maybe you want it to be sleek and modern or minimalistic, like any 3 words that you would use to describe and represent your brand. Those are the things that you want to portray in all of those 10 things that I mentioned before. So that being said, I would love to hear what your 3 keywords are. So comment below what your 3 keywords are for your business. And hopefully you guys like this video. Please like it and share with your fellow entrepreneurs.